Welcome back to our channel. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at Prime. In this video, what we'll be doing with you is checking for broken links on a page. So that could be a pain if you have multiple links on a page or blog post and so on. So there are multiple extensions that I personally use that help me sift out if there are any broken links on a page. Awesome. Let's jump straight to it. So the first thing that you want to do actually is install this extension. It is called Broken Link Checker. Pretty awesome tool. If you go to your Chrome extensions and so on, you will then find it there. Awesome. So what you just need to do is actually just click on the extension if you've installed it, and it will show you all the broken links and the valid links and so on. So it's something that you really want to do or get if you are a SEO specialist, or you, even if you're not, you just want to check if there are broken links on your website. And once you're ready, you can click on start. Okay, just I'm gonna start over here. Awesome, and it has completed the audit, and as you can see, there are no broken links on the website as it should be. And what's pretty cool is you can filter the broken links. So there's 2xx, 3xx, 4xx, 5xx, so, and even others. So which is pretty cool. Auto start, add sublinks, all frames, blank frames, and so on. You can even do a deep search if you wanna check out some specific keyword. So yeah, this is a quick way where you can check for broken links on your website. Yes, as you know, we release videos on a daily, so please like, comment, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss a video that could be helpful for your business, for your SEO agency, and so on. To the next video. Goodbye.